Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. Today we're checking out 20 of the newest Makita tools that are packed with innovative features and next-level performance. Get ready to see tools that could completely change the way you work. Impact Premier Bit Sets. The Impact Premier Bit Sets are engineered for high performance and efficiency on the job site, offering premium fastening solutions fully compatible with Makita impact drivers. Designed for professionals in construction and repair, these bits deliver exceptional strength, precision, and durability, even under tough conditions. Radio and LED lantern. The Bluetooth radio and LED lantern combines two practical solutions in one compact, portable unit. It offers 360-degree illumination with adjustable brightness settings and multiple lighting modes, including lantern, side lantern, flashlight, and strobe, along with 3 light color options to suit different environments. Powered by Makita's 18 volts battery, it provides up to 16 hours of continuous light or 44 hours of radio operation on a single charge. AC Cooler and Warmer. The AC Cooler and Warmer is a portable 20-liter unit with 4 cooling modes and 2 warming modes. It runs on 1 or 2 18-volt batteries for up to 17 hours, features a compressor for efficient cooling, an LED display, a USB charging port, and water-resistant IPX4 construction for reliable use on job sites. Its compact design makes it easy to transport and fit into tight spaces. 1/4-inch narrow crown stapler. The 1/4-inch narrow crown stapler is a compact, ergonomic tool designed for precise stapling in tight spaces. Weighing only 6.3 pounds with battery, it features a slim nose for accurate placement and an anti-dry fire mechanism to prevent blanks. Capable of driving 18-gauge staples from 3/8 inch to 1.5 inches. 4CFM Dual-Stage Vacuum Pump. The dual-stage vacuum pump is a powerful cordless solution designed for purging industrial-size air conditioning units, making it ideal for HVAC professionals. It operates on one 18-volt battery with a battery bay that accommodates 2 batteries running sequentially for extended runtime, up to 60 minutes with 2 6.0 amp-hour batteries. Hedge Trimmer. The 24-inch hedge trimmer kit offers a cordless, zero-emission, and low-noise solution for professional landscaping tasks. Its Makita-built brushless motor delivers up to 5,000 strokes per minute, with 3 speed settings to balance power and runtime. The dual-action double-sided shear blade ensures efficient trimming, while a reverse function clears jams, and a tip guard protects the cutter bar. 3-inch polisher and 2-inch sander. The 3-inch polisher and 2-inch sander is a compact, ergonomic tool designed for precision work. It features dual speeds 0 to 2,800 revolutions per minute for polishing and 0 to 9,500 revolutions per minute for sanding, with quick, tool-free pad changes. A variable speed trigger, lock-on button, and angled side handle provide control and comfort, while the rubberized soft grip enhances ease of use. Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner. The 7.5-liter Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner with HEPA and AWS delivers 71 cubic feet per minute of airflow and 60.3 inches of water lift for strong, wet and dry performance. It converts easily from vacuum to blower, features AWS Bluetooth for wireless tool connection, and has an automatic self-cleaning filter system. Sheet Orbital Sander. The Sheet Orbital Sander is powered by a 40-volt Max Li-ion XGT battery and features a 2mm orbit for precise sanding. It supports hook and loop or clamp-type abrasive papers, is compatible with a pad saver, and includes an electric brake for safety. With auto-start wireless system connectivity and vacuum cleaner compatibility, it ensures efficient, dust-controlled operation for professional applications. Impact Wrench Kit. The Impact Wrench Kit delivers 2,950 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque and 2,320 foot-pounds of fastening torque, outperforming similar models in heavy-load applications. It features 3 forward and 3 reverse auto-stop modes, a 4-speed power selector, and a 6-inch extended anvil for deep fasteners. A rubber joint reduces vibration, while XPT technology adds dust and water resistance. Self-Propelled Lawn Mower. The brushless 21-inch self-propelled lawnmower cuts up to 26,900 square feet in self-propelled mode, or 36,600 square feet in push-drive mode with the included two 5.0 amp-hour batteries. Its powerful 1.9 kilowatt brushless motor is built to handle thick grass with ease. Features include E-Extreme protection technology, an auto-switching 2-bay battery system, and a single lever for quick cutting height adjustments. Jig Saws. The brushless jig saws deliver powerful, constant speed for smooth cutting. Available in D-handle and barrel handle models, they feature a brushless motor, E-Extreme protection technology, variable 6-speed control, and 3 orbital settings plus straight cutting. Toolless blade changes and a 3-year Makita warranty make them a reliable, pro-grade solution. Plunge Router. The Plunge Router combines corded level power with a lightweight, compact design. Its BL68-20 brushless motor maintains constant speed for smooth cuts with a 60mm plunge capacity. Features include a soft brake, L.E.D job light, easy lock on and off switches, accessory compatibility, and AWS connectivity with compatible vacuum cleaners. 7 1/4 inch circular saw. The 7 1/4 inch circular saw offers a 65mm cutting capacity at 90 degrees and bevel adjustment from 0 to 53 degrees with positive stops at 22.5 and 45 degrees. It features a rear handle design, magnesium die-cast base, lock-off safety trigger, and automatic torque drive technology for higher cutting efficiency and precise performance. 9-inch power cutter. The 9-inch power cutter features a high-power brushless motor, automatic feedback sensing technology for kickback protection, and extreme protection technology for dust and water resistance. It includes an electric brake, anti-restart function, 2-stage safety trigger, anti-vibration housing. Garden sprayer. The garden sprayer is a cordless tool suitable for water and pesticide applications. It features a paddle switch with lock-on function, easy battery removal, and a telescopic spray wand extending up to 0.7 meters. Selectable single or double head spraying and mist or stream modes provide versatility, while its IP54 rating ensures dust and splash resistance for reliable outdoor use. Demolition Hammer. The 40-volt max cordless demolition hammer delivers 9.4 joules of impact energy for heavy-duty concrete and masonry work. Its compact design and single battery setup provide corded level power with better maneuverability. Features include anti-vibration housing for reduced hand fatigue, a soft start function, constant speed control, 5-speed settings with variable trigger control, and 12 adjustable bit angles. Polisher Scrubber. The Polisher Scrubber is a versatile tool for cleaning and polishing floors, decks, kitchens, and bathrooms. Its telescopic, toolless, adjustable handle and XPT ensure precise, durable operation in wet or dusty conditions. Features include anti-wobble suspension, constant speed control, soft start, 3-speed modes, quick brush/pad changes, a splash guard, LED job lights, and a protective battery cover for safe, efficient cleaning. 24-inch Pole Hedge Trimmer. The 24-inch brushless pole hedge trimmer cuts branches up to 1 inch in diameter and reaches up to 7 feet 2 inches. It has a one-touch adjustable head with 6 positions and 180-degree rotation, a brushless motor with 3 speeds, reverse rotation for clearing, and a sharp curved tooth blade for efficient trimming. Router. The 40-volt max router delivers 1.5 horsepower and 10,000 to 31,000 RPM for high-speed cutting. It features constant speed control, soft start, and a soft brake for smooth operation. The router includes a 2.5 amp-hour battery, rapid charger, straight guide, dust nozzle, trimmer guide, and tool bag, while Auto Start wireless system allows Bluetooth connection to a dust extractor for convenient, dust-free operation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing tool updates from the Chop Busters.